You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word, but how do you say what you're looking for today? Bonjour, we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this, say, monument, one of the most visited in France. We'll be looking at how to say more French vocabulary as well. Stay tuned. So in French, for reference, it's said as Mont with a silent T, Saint-Michel, Mont Saint-Michel, silent T to Saint as well. So in English you can say it as Mont Saint-Michel, not Mont Saint-Michel, no, Mont Saint-Michel from French, Mont Saint-Michel. And now you know, like this video. If you found it useful, appreciate your support. More videos for you here to learn more. See you there. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful, I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.